In this video, we're going to be talking about how to contact Depop customer service. So let's just get straight into the video. So first things first, simply go ahead and open your Depop application and make sure that you are logged in into your account. Simply click on My Depop on the bottom right hand side of your screen. And now what you want to do is simply click on the top right triple line icon, which will take you to this page. And now scroll all the way down until you find Help and Support and click on that. Once you do that, click on Help Center right here. And once it verifies you and your connection is secure, simply scroll all the way down right over here until you find Contact Us and click on that. Now, this is where you can add your username, what help you require, your subject, and also your description. Make sure to also attach product ID if you have any, or even screenshots right here, and click on Submit. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.